Established in 2005, VINA International Holdings celebrates 2 decades of innovation in power solutions. We've proudly served over 3,000 clients across 65+ countries worldwide. We specialize in GaN charger innovation through OEM or ODM solutions. Our Shenzhen headquarters and Huizhou facilities span 4,000+ square meters, housing complete production ecosystems. From travel charger to wireless charger, car charger to power bank charger, every device undergoes precision manufacturing across SMT, dip, PCBA testing, automated assembly, and smart packaging. Quality is engineered into every step, from component screening to final product aging tests. Our quadruple check system ensures reliability. All products meet global standards including UL, CE, FCC, CB, KC, FCC, ROSH certifications, etc. We operate under ISO 90001, ISO 14000, BSCI, standards. Beyond manufacturing, our full-service structure integrates R&D, quality control, and global logistics teams working in sync. More than suppliers, we're success partners. Let VINA's technical expertise and customer-first philosophy charge your next breakthrough.